Home and away spoiler, Irene is caught out at the hospital. Bree wants to help her. Episode 8323. Leah and Marilyn express their concerns about Irene, but Justin reminds them that Irene won't accept help until she's ready to. What he doesn't know is that Irene's lying on the floor at the bottom of her stairs, with blood oozing from a wound on her head. John, eager to help his friend, asks Bree if there is any way to treat a patient that doesn't want to be helped. She informs him that the most resistant patients are usually the most frightened. Harper arrives home to find Irene in the dark, barely conscious and with a possible concussion. She takes her straight to the hospital. At the hospital, Bree treats Irene's wound, quietly putting the pieces together about her earlier conversation with John. Irene's friends arrive to make sure she's okay, but her mood is vile and she tells Leah to go away. Bree asks Leah if there is anything she should know about Irene. From a medical perspective, Leah informs her that Irene is a recovering alcoholic, and she's terrified that she's relapsing. Irene continues to refuse help, but Bree's gentle words coax her into agreeing to at least stay overnight. That's as far as Bree can get, despite her attempts to get Irene to accept that she needs help. Irene finds the flask in her bag and tries to sneak in a drink. She's caught red-handed by Bree. Is this enough of a wake-up call for Irene? Meanwhile, Harper catches Dana in one of her lies that Xander does actually know about the pregnancy, but only because he overheard them talking. When she arrives at his place for dinner, she rushes to tell him he needs to keep his mouth shut about it, not realizing that Rose is in the next room and has overheard everything. Dana is back to frantically trying to keep the news about Harper contained. But Rose is thrilled, and very eager to find out who the father is.
Các bạn vừa theo dõi một sản phẩm của Home and Away Spoiler Today. Xin chào.